This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Lin Miller. Charming family home tucked away in Lafayette Shores. Spacious floor plan with a screened porch and large backyard. Hardwood floors in the main living areas, open eat-in kitchen, family room with gas log fireplace. First floor bedroom and full bathroom. Second floor primary suite with huge bath and tons of closet space. 3 spacious guest rooms. All bathroom and laundry room are also on the second floor. 2-zone heat pumps, irrigation system and 2-car attached garage. Move-in ready and very easy to show with a courtesy call to the listing agent. For more information, review the details below.